Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. This is my third video that I have made for you because the first video I made, it didn't video. So I'm videoing it all over again. Basically, what I've done is I've made a very small game, and whenever I did this very small game, in my first video, that didn't take. What happened was I decided that I was going to modify it. And so I think what I will do is I will modify the video before I do the blog post, because I intend to make a blog post on this. So I will modify it before I make the blog post. This is a very small game that I was inspired to write by somebody else, but I'm not allowed to use their problem statement. And since I'm not allowed to use their problem statement, I changed the game. So the game is going to be for cards, and I didn't use their problem statement, but I was inspired by somebody else to actually make this game. But it's with cards and not what it was originally, and I'm not using their problem statement because they say that you can't use the problem statement. But the thing is, I don't think they can say anything about the code, and the reason why is because it's my code. So we'll go through the statement. There are 2 players in this game. The recipient gets 1 card for each turn. The dealer gets 1 card times the turn for each turn. How many cards do the dealer and the recipient get for each turn? So the first thing I did was I made this program in Google Colab, which is a free online Jupyter notebook. And I do everything in Google Colab. And the reason why is because I can save it. And so I save all my programs. So after I've created my program in Google Colab, I imported my libraries. So I just imported NumPy and Pandas, and I just do that as a matter of course. But I don't think I even used Pandas in this game. I think I just used NumPy. And then after I've imported my libraries, what I want to do is I want to initialize my variables. So dealer 1 is 0, deal 2 is 0, and turn is 0. So the game is cards equals input, how many cards are in the deck, and then cards equals int cards. And the reason why is because when you input the data comes in as a string. And because the data comes in as a string, you have to convert it to an integer. Okay, so now we have the while statement. So while cards are greater than 0, turn equals turn plus 1. If cards greater than or equal to 1, deal 1 equals deal 1 plus 1. Cards equals cards minus 1. If cards greater than or equal to turn, deal 2 equals deal 2 plus turn. Cards equals cards minus turn. Else, deal 2 equals deal 2 plus cards. Cards equals cards minus cards. Print, turn, cards, deal 1, and deal 2. And then so what we did in the last question was we said that there were 11 cards in the deck, and so that was your response. That was the answer that you got. You had 4 turns, 0 cards, 4 cards for deal 1, and 7 cards for deal 2. So now what we're going to do is we're going to run it again. And that's what I said I'm going to do. I'm going to modify this program where it says, would you like to play again? And so it says how many cards in the deck. We're going to say 2. And then it says you get 1 turn. There were 0 cards. Deal 1 is 1 and deal 2 is 2. So now we play the game again, but we will be modifying it, and then we'll say 9. So you get 3 turns and 0 cards. Deal 1 gets 3 cards and deal 2 gets 6 cards. So we play one more time. So we're going to say 33. I'm going to say that you get 7 turns. There's 0 cards. Deal 1 gets 7 cards, and deal 2 gets 26 cards. So that basically proves that the program does work. And so since this is the 3rd time that I've made this video, the video should work now. So this concludes my code review, and I will be updating the code to incorporate the do you want to continue playing again. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you want to receive notification of whenever I have written or posted a video, please click on the bell button beside the subscribe button, and then you will receive notification whenever I have posted another video. If you like the work I do and you want to support me, I've got my email address to my PayPal account in the description box down below. The reason why I have to do that is because I do not have enough subscribers to monetize. But when I get enough subscribers to monetize, then I won't ask for donations anymore. So thank you so much for watching my video, and hope you have a very nice Valentine's Day, and I look forward to making more videos for you in the future.